What's up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. You're watching Shoe DIY, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Air Force One. So the first thing we're going to want to do is take our Air Force One tag and our laces. If you take the two ends of the lace and thread them through the two holes in the tag, like that, and then take the two ends and pull your tag through, and then you should have your tag in the middle of your lace. It's going to sit there, so we need to put our lace down through this first hole here at the front, pull it all the way through, like that, and just make sure that our tag is sitting nice and flat. And then we're going to bring the end of the lace down through the opposite first hole on the outside of the shoe. So just pull up, and now you've got your tag sitting just where you need it to be. So we're going to start then by taking the outside lace and bring it across the shoe to the inside hole. If you catch the lace on your finger as well, it helps you to untwist any twists that come up in the lace, like that. Then we're going to take the inside lace and bring it across and down through the outside hole. And keep that lace in your hand and bring it across to the next inside hole. Then take the inside lace, bring it across and down through the next outside hole. And keep that lace in your hand, bring it across to the next inside hole. And take the inside lace across to the outside hole. And keep that lace in your hand and bring it across to the next inside hole. Take the inside lace across to the outside. And now you've got to that space where you are 5 loops in, and you need to take your lace across the hoop on the tongue. So slide it across there, making sure that it sits nice and flat, like that, and take it across to the next inside hole. And take the inside lace, and you're going to thread it across the lace that's already in the hoop. So just slide it through, keep it nice and flat, and then that comes down into the next outside hole, like that. Just going to open up the shoes a little bit, pull the laces wide so that they're all the same. And then we're going to take the outside lace, and rather than going down, we're going to go across and out. So take it from the bottom of the hole out, and take the inside lace across, take it from the bottom of the hole and out, like that. And as you can see, your laces are too long, so all you need to do is just bring your lace back in, just so you've got as much hanging out as you'd like, which leaves you with a loop. Then bring this one back in, make sure that your amount of lace hanging out is the same, and then you're going to take those 2 loops and you're going to put them behind the tongue. So just slide them down there behind the tongue, and they're going to sit on top of your feet and under the tongue. So there you've got the first shoe loosely laced. Now let's move on to the second shoe. So with the left shoe, we're going to do the same again with the tag. So take your 2 ends of your lace, push them through the 2 holes, take the ends and glide it through. And then we're going to place the tag on the front of the shoe. Bring the end of the lace down through the first hole, pull up, and and just make sure that your tag is sitting nice and flat. And then we're going to bring the end of the lace down through the opposite first hole. And there you've got your tag sitting nicely in the middle and flat. So we're going to take the outside lace, so we're going to match the right shoe, and bring it across the shoe and down through the opposite inside hole. Then we're going to take the inside lace across and down through the opposite outside hole. Keep that lace in your hand and bring it down the third hole on the inside of the shoe. Then take the inside lace across to the next outside hole. Keep that lace, bring it across to the next inside hole. And take the inside lace, bring it across to the next outside hole. Keeping that lace, bring it across to the next inside hole. And bring the inside lace across to the next outside hole. Then the next time you come across, you're going to come through the hoop on the tongue. So just slide the end through there, keeping it nice and flat, like that. Then take the lace down through the next inside hole. Then take the inside lace, take it across the lace that's already in the hoop, sitting it on the top. Glide it through, keeping it flat. Then that goes down through the next outside hole. And then we've got to the top, and so the outside lace is going to go out through the opposite inside hole. And the inside lace comes across and out through the opposite outside hole. So down through the bottom of the hole and out, like that. Just pull out your laces, just make sure they've all got the same width across. And then we're going to pull these laces back through to make our loops, making sure you've got the same amount hanging out on this side as you have on your right shoe. Pull your loop, your lace back through, making sure that you keep it flat and it doesn't twist. And then you take your two loops behind the tongue. So slide them behind there, like that. So there you have your left and your right loosely laced. Now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So there you have your Air Force 1 loosely laced. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. Thanks for watching.